Hey, Mark Nelson from marknelsononline.com. So glad you're here again today. Today we're going to talk about building your business on autopilot. How to use the power of social media to build your business, but you can do things to actually do it on autopilot. Before I get there, if this is the first time on my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button and then hit that little bell. And you'll get notifications when I do more trainings because I put a lot of trainings up. So let's get to the content. It's following this right now. How to build your business on autopilot. Talk again soon. Bye. Hey, Mark Nelson again, and welcome to the last video of this series. And I'm going to put it all together for you to try to help explain what we've been doing, but really going to talk to you about simple steps for building your business on autopilot. And hang on to the very end. I'm going to ask you to complete a little questionnaire. And by doing that, you're going to get a free gift, a free PDF of The Science of Getting Rich. Unbelievable book. So let's get this thing rocking. I'm very excited for all of you to get here. What's the number one struggle for the home business owner? Have you ever thought about that? The very number one. See, you were told when you first got started in the home business to make a list of at least 100 people from family, friends, your phone, social media, and anyone else you've ever spoken to. Ever. At least that's what I was told. Then call everybody. Man, I'm so excited I burned through my warm market so fast. See, what most people struggle with are finding enough people to talk to, called leads, right? People that you can talk to about your opportunity. See, in the old ways, we did home parties. We did cold calling. Ugh. We bought leads. That was cold calling. Holy cow, and if you've ever done that, I've had the phone slammed to my ear many a times, called everything, handing out business cards. I made a business card and I go into gas stations and stick it in that little credit card payment thing. Flyers, right? Put them on telephone poles, put them under windshield wipers, everything. Stalking people in malls. And the 3-foot rule, meaning if you got close to me, I was talking to you. That's how people were taught and are taught how to find people to talk to about their business. Now, does this work? Absolutely. Some people are really good at it. But let's be real here. This works for maybe 10 to 15% of society. And I'm stretching that. I mean, I was an introvert. It was hard to talk to people. Let me talk about your dream. I'm sure, just like me, you had a dream when you were introduced to this profession. And it was saving me. Maybe for the first time you saw hope. To get time back with your family. To get out of debt. To get that life you see on TV. For your children. To start enjoying life instead of enduring it. I don't know what your dream is. But man, after 5 years, going from company to company, the same empty promises of how easy this was going to be. Being told you only need to go get 2 and show them how to get 2 and show them how to get 2, and you are a 7-figure earner. It's only going to take you a couple hours a week. Man, I really at one point thought, what the heck? How the heck did I get here? This doesn't work. However, it's the best business setup there is. I so thoroughly believe that because it doesn't matter how hard my boss works or my upline works, I can make more money than they do. I wasn't given that opportunity anywhere else. So I have the same question for you. How did you get here? Right, what brought you to home business? To make a little extra money? Nothing wrong with that. Make an extra $100, $200 a month? Nothing wrong with that. But what brought you here? See, life is really a bunch of choices.
And maybe you received the same owner's manual I did about life. Oh, there really wasn't one. But life is supposed to be easy. That's what I thought. It wasn't supposed to be hard. See, I was always told you have to go to school, study hard, and get good grades. Get a great job. Become a doctor. Maybe a policeman, a lawyer, maybe a firefighter, maybe a nurse. My dream, I wanted to be a professional athlete. That was supposed to happen. But something happened along the way because it didn't work. See, then I was told the better the grades, the better the job. Boom. Get good grades, get a good job. You're all set. Life is amazing. Except, if you're anything like me, you broke rule number 1. Going into debt. See, the American dream that I bought into was go to college, get a good job, get married, buy a house, and that house becomes an asset. Well, guess what? When you buy your house, you go into debt. It's not an asset. You have to pay on that for I don't know how long your mortgage is, and a house is a house. I love it. That's not what this is meant to be. What it's saying is the number 1 rule in life is to stay out of debt, and I broke it. I got into debt that just buried my family and I for the longest time. See, then one day, someday I'll tell you my full story because it's pretty interesting, but not today. See, and one day I got a call from a friend and we met for lunch. Real serious, because I was struggling. I'd gone through foreclosure, I had health challenges, I had colon cancer, survived, but it just wiped my family out. And I had no idea what to do. And then I got a call. He started drawing little circles. I don't know if you've ever seen those on a piece of paper. It told me, you go get one and show those how to get one, that 2 and 2 and 1 and 3, all that different story. Those circles filled up so fast. I was so stinking excited. See, I could do that part-time. I could make money for my family. I wasn't going to stop walking and talking to people because I was going to pay everybody back for my foreclosure from the dumb move I made. My health was healthy. I was going to set my family up for the ever again. See, this gave me hope. Finally, I had a way out. See, when I heard that, I went home very excited and told my wife. Very excited. And guess what? She wasn't as excited as I was. She really burst my bubble. She brought me back to reality. Who the heck? I'm not good enough to do this. What the heck are you trying to do? You don't have any time. Mark, we just got out of foreclosure. My bubble was burst. See, if this happened to you, then maybe we have something else in common. If you came into this business and you struggled and you turned to social media and started thinking, I'm going to get this good news out to everybody at once. I'm going to put them on messengers. I'm going to put links all over. I'm going to put company photos over. I'm going to win this because there's so many people on social media. If you're doing that, please stop. Because all you're doing is repulsing people. And we've talked about that all the way through. There's a better way to do this. See, I have a question for you. How would it feel to open your inbox having people wanting your product, service, or join you in your opportunity? Receive messages like, I don't know what your company is. I just want to work with you. See, we're going to talk about that because there's 3 components to a successful business plan. Build, sell, engage. The first one's build. And we've been talking about that throughout the series. You're going to build an audience. Who do you want to work with? Your target market. And you do have an option. Who do you want to be perceived as in your market? The travel enthusiast, the health and wellness go-to person, the marketing go-to person, Then engage. You are the authority. Once you know who your target market is, you create content speaking into your target market's needs, providing solutions to their challenges. And how do you do that? You create content and post it on social media through videos, through images, through value, finding out what they need. Teach. You can create a short PDF, aka ebook, that you're going to get from me as a free gift of completing all of these, and market it to your target market. The next question, how do you generate your leads? Get their information. See, this is a contact form. See, if you got that free PDF, you can market this and people go here and put their name, email, number, and they get lifetime access to whatever you're giving them. That's a lead. Or you have your own website. This is a friend of mine, Dr. Lisa Mtott. We actually went to the same college. Different era because she's a little younger than I am, much younger than I am. But Dr. Thompson became a diabetic. And she is changing the world by offering free training on how to beat diabetes. How cool is that? The third one is sell. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do this step by step. First of all, what do you want to sell? Travel? If you do, what you do is you make up 10 mostly destinations on your bucket list as a PDF. That's one way to generate a lead. You can sell that book. See, I don't know if you've ever been on a sales page before, where all of a sudden you get down the bottom and they give away something free, and here's a $7 product, $5 product. And you might buy that $7 product, which then leads to a $27 product. That's selling. You sell small and build big. How about 7 peak experiences on a shoestring budget? Or in health and wellness, the biggest secret to weight loss. Proven system to lose 3 pounds per week. You can sell those. People are looking for them. What if you encounter another network marketing? That can be frustrating. See, because they probably love their business. Most people do love their companies. But they have the same challenge as you finding enough people to talk to. So what if you market how to generate leads? Then you're turning a no into a yes. We all come here for the same reasons. Impact lives, make money. See, accounting a no can be discouraging unless you can turn that no into a yes by finding what's really struggling with them and finding a solution to their problems. See, this is from my mentor and coach. See, he's a network marketer. And he knows too that what happens are most people in network marketing that are struggling are finding leads. He is has his own primary. From the side business, away from his primary, he has made $115,623.69. Now, as I said, that's my coach and mentor. Now, I haven't been in this business as long as he has, but I want to show you something. What about if you made an extra $3,536? Would that help you? See, I will be at this up here, $115,000 someday, and it's going to be sooner rather than later. See, all of this is possible if I start creating the impact and income you deserve, giving your family the life they deserve, giving to your favorite charity or church, relieving debt, creating time freedom. So who is this for? This is for anybody who is motivated, coachable, and understands they need to invest in themselves through time, possibly through some money. If you are willing to learn knowledge, create a legacy, this is for you. See, what I want you to do is book a session with me right now. And if it's not with me, book the session with somebody who showed you this group. And what we'll do, we'll go find out and see if we can help you with what your needs are. And that's nothing. It costs absolutely nothing. All you have to do is fill out a questionnaire and let us get a time to talk and see if we can help. So why am I doing this? Why am I giving up my time for free? See, I do this because I love giving back. I've been helped. You know, when I talked about that coach and mentor, I can't tell you what he's done for me. I want to do that. I came back from foreclosure and from help. I want to help. I love giving back and helping motivated people achieve their goals. Plus, I know you might want my help to help transfer your business. See, I was struggling until I got shown what to do. I was struggling until I was helped through some people who showed me some ways to do this. So, all I want to do is let's get a discussion going and see if it's a good fit for both of you. That's it. That's all it is. And if it's not a good fit, then that's fine. So I'm here to help. I'm here to go through a step-by-step process with you, creating your vision, attracting leaders to your business, creating multiple streams of income, prospecting and closing. Want to be a coach? Have you ever thought about that? See, that's my goal, is to become a coach. Anything is possible in the online world. Let's talk about it and get you on the right path. So here's what I want you to do, is on the button below, the button you've been hitting every time to go to every new video, click on that, and you're going to be brought to a 10-question questionnaire. Answer those questions. Shoot me an email. No, just answer those questions because I will see that you asked them. But you got to do it because these spaces are very limited. We're all busy. You got to sign up now to make sure you get the right time to see if this is a good fit and to see if we can help you grow your business. By doing that questionnaire, guess what? I will send you that free gift. So fill out the questionnaire. I get notices all the time about who did that. We will set up an appointment to talk, and I'll send you a free gift. You all take care. I am so excited to meet you. I'm so excited to help you on your journey. Talk really soon. Bye.
Hey, this is Mark again. I am so glad you got through this series, and I know if you put this all together, it's going to really help you build your business. As mentioned during the training, I have a free gift for you. What I'd like to do is I'm going to put the link below, and let's just schedule a 15-minute talk. That's all it is. I'm not going to try to sell you anything, not going to try to do anything. If I want to know if I can help your business. I think one of the best things I ever did was reach out to someone who was extremely successful. And all I did was follow what they did. So I became successful. So grab that link below and let's have a little chat. You take care, and I'm going to see you soon on other videos.